today's video I have the August glossy box, so let's get straight in here. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Oh my god, I can't get this out. Today's video I have the August glossy box. This is a PR box. It has very kindly been gifted to me. I have not paid for this. I do pay for a subscription every month. I get that when you get yours. But yeah, this one is gifted, just to be totally clear. But yeah, I'm super excited to get in here. So this is what the box looks like. This costs £13.50 per month. I'll leave a link down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click. And yeah, if you use my code that's down there as well, you'll get your first box for £10, which is a great little saving. The longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it becomes as well. So if you go, for instance, like a 12-month subscription or a 6-month subscription, it does work out cheaper. But yeah, let's take a little look in here. I'm loving the colours on the box, by the way. Beautiful. So that's what it looks like inside. Oh yeah, we have a little what do you call it, QR code here, so we can scan it and get the digital edit card. And on there is the name of the edit, which is Bold, Brave, Beautiful. Right, so opening this straight up, because I need a sneak peek right now. And there we go, if you can see, and there we go. There is a quick sneak peek for you. But yeah, let's get straight to it and get to the first item. But if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right, so let's just quickly scan this. It's not working, I think, because time of filming this, it's still July, and it's kind of, it's brought up July's box, and this is the August one. So yeah, we are freestyling this, so I do apologise straight away. So if we've got any free gifts in here or any extra treats, I won't be able to tell you which is which because I literally have no information. But yeah, let's go through the product. So the first product I'm going to go for is the biggest one. We have this. So this is by the brand Glov, and this is a mask remover. Innovative fibre technology removes cosmetics with water. So I think we have received this before in the past. I have quite a few of them, to be honest, but opening it up, this is what it looks like. And then you've got like the triangle bit you can put your hand in. Yes, I've definitely received this before. Yeah, great brand. They do some great cosmetic tools and so on. But yeah, we have received that before. The product we have is this. So this is by the brand CRA London, and this is a velvet lip liner in the shade Cocoa. I don't know what other shades there were, but let's have a look at this one. This is just what it looks like. Okay, it just takes a little while for it to warm up, but yeah, that's actually a really nice shade. It's kind of similar to what I've got under my lips at the moment, to be honest. And what I do like about it, there's no sharpener, it's just retractable. I really am that lazy girl and I do like retractable, so that gets some brownie points. The third product that I've received in my box is this. So by the brand Philip Kingsley. Absolutely love Philip Kingsley, love all of their products. I mainly love the Elasticizer hair mask. It's absolutely amazing. I've actually done a video on the Elasticizer hair mask actually. I'll link that up there, so check that out. But this is the Elasticizer Booster Restoring Conditioner. Okay. Is that restoring conditioner? Does that mean there's a shampoo? I mean, we haven't got a shampoo here, it's just the conditioner, but I don't know. And I have received that a few times in different boxes, in different beauty boxes, to be honest. Yeah, I do like the brand. I would have been happier if it was the mask, if I was if I'm honest. The fourth product I've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Spectrum, and this is a velvet powder puff. Okay, I got some powder puffs in another beauty box that I haven't actually even tried yet. I've been so lazy and I can't open it and I've had to tear it open. Never mind. Oh, that is so pretty. Like little tie-dye, rainbowy effect. Oh, that is so super soft. I am definitely gonna have to give the little powder puff a go just to see what that can do for me. But packaging wise and looks wise, spot on. Looks really cute. The product that I've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bella Paris, and this is HD Finishing Powder, High Definition Translucent Powder. I love a translucent powder. Yeah, can't go wrong with that. I'll have to give that a try. But yeah, just, it's obviously sealed, but you get quite a lot in there, guys. That's kind of impressive. Okay. I can't wait to try that. Nice. I love that brand too. Right guys, I still have 2 more items. I am hoping, because obviously I've got no information, I'm hoping these aren't classed as actual products in the box. I'm hoping these are freebies. Comment below and let me know if you know any different. But the first one I'll show you is this. So this is by the brand Neutrogena, and this is Hydra Boost. So it's just a little sample sachet, and it's 1.5 mils in here. Yeah, I like Neutrogena. It's all right. I don't think I've tried the Hydra Boost before, but yeah, I'm hoping that's just a free little gift they've hidden and not a product. The last item in the box, I'm hoping is just a sweet treat that they've hidden. It is this. So this is, oh, if I can take that off, by Rhythm 108 and Glossy. It's like a collab that they've done, and it's a vegan almond and sea salt with creamy Swiss chocolate bar. Cool. I did have 1 or 2 people comment on a video where I got a sweet treat in one of my boxes and went, oh yeah, only people with PR boxes get that. My paid box that I got actually got a sweet treat in there, so I don't know why they're not putting them in everybody's boxes. But yeah, as I say, I hope that's just something they decided to hide in just as a little treat. Oh, and not one of the products, but let's take a little look. Oh, it smells nice. Oh my god, that's lush. I technically shouldn't be eating this. I'm calorie counting. 186 calories. A treat. It's a treat. That is actually really nice. You initially take a bite out of it, it feels a little bit crumbly, but then you get used to it in your mouth. It's got bits of nuts in there. It's delicious. Really nice. Right guys, so this is the August GlossyBox. Bold, brave, beautiful. What do you think? Right, so personally, it's not the best box. Let's be honest, it's really not. We have received this multiple times. We've received it in the GlossyBox before, and we've received it in other branded beauty boxes too. And the same goes for this little fella here, the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster. But what I am liking in this box, I am liking the powder puff. That is great. I can't wait to actually use that and try it out. And I do like that they've paired it with a translucent powder. And I'm really glad it's by that brand, because I really like this brand. They do some beautiful makeup. And I'm hoping, I'm looking at it, and it looks a nice powder, but looking and trying is 2 different things. So we're definitely going to have to try the powder out to see what it is like. The lip liner is a gorgeous colour. Like I said, I think it's the same colour as what I've got on my lips at the moment. That little chocolate bar. Anybody who gives me food, it's like top in my in my eyes. But yeah, as I say, I'm hoping that's not a product in the box, because that is a bit disappointing if it is. I don't know what the products were that I could have got, the alternatives. If you do know, please comment down below. That would be cool. But What do you think? Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. But yeah, again, if you are interested in subscribing to this box, the link and code is down below. Get your first box for a tenner. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.